Hi, my name is Jonathan, and today I'm with my little sister Emma.
And we're gonna be making banana pancakes!
Yes, we're gonna be making freaking banana pancakes, but first, I need to get her a chair before we do anything else. Whoa, it was like freaking magic, right? Okay, so first things first, I need to go ahead and I need to get everything that we're going to need. So I need a scoop over. I do want to say, don't mind our dirty dishes. Okay, so the first thing that we got is some pancake mix. The second thing we got is our freaking bananas.
A mixing bowl.
And we have our water right here. And the last thing that we're going to need is
a measuring cup.
It's a measuring cup. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start pouring all of this stuff in here. Okay, so what we do need to do, I want to go ahead and I kind of want to peel these bananas. You want to help me peel them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to peel these bananas. Peel them. Just peel it. And, just put them in there. And I'm going to do this part for you, okay? Because I have to, ooh, please don't lose them. Don't lose them, okay?
Okay, I got one in my hand. It's broke.
That's fine. Oh, get that piece. Get that off. That's nice. Okay. Alright, so, what am I going to do? I've never done this before, but I'm going to go ahead and we're gonna mush them up. Okay, so.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can try. Give me a second. So, I'm mushing up all of these bananas. Listen to that. It's like ASMR. It is a little bit hard. Alright, you want to try and mush? We don't have another freaking. Ooh, your sister. So, the whisk is dirty. Alright. Alright. You want to throw those away?
I don't like this. So I don't.
Listen to that. Ladies, you know what that sounds like? So now that they're nice and wet, they're gonna be good. They're gonna be nice and friggin'. They're gonna be, what can I think of? They're nice and moist, but that's not what I was gonna say. Okay. So, how many pancakes you want?
There's 2.
Girl, that's not enough.
So we got the stewing. Still.
Okay, you wanna pour this in? Mm-hmm. Alright, pour it. Okay.
Can I stir it?
Give me a second.
Look at all that.
I kind of want to do it. Is that how much your sister did? She only did 1 cup?
Yeah. But we need 2 cups.
We're going to do a little bit more. Okay. Okay, wait, don't stir nothing yet. So, I think that we need about, like, 3/3. What is that, a whole cup?
That much make a lot, and a lot, and a lot, and a lot. Oh, can I pour the water in?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't even tell you what I just did. So I did like 1 and like
2
1/3 cups of the powder. And now it says do 2/3 water, 2/3 cups. So I'm gonna do 2/3 cups. Oh yeah, you want to pour it. Pour. Okay.
Ooh.
All right, so I'm gonna let me get this started.
Then I can do it.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is good.
Here, please don't make a mess.
Okay. That smells good.
All right, let me see.
But do you need it with the spoon? Can I lick it off?
Yeah, you can lick it. This actually smells. I wish you guys could freaking smell it because it smells
good.
oh like banana.
Ooh, that smells so good.
Is it bad that I kind of want to add some sugar in this? I think that we should add just a little bit more water.
Can I pour it in? Yeah.
Yeah, pour it. Literally a little bit. Pour it. Okay.
That smells so good.
Oh, I think that was too much. Because now, when your sister made it, was it really just like this?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna add just a little bit more.
Yeah. Can I do it again?
Just let me.
Can I start again after you?
Alright, so do you want to put the strawberries on top?
Yeah.
I shouldn't have added that water. I honestly don't even know what the heck pancake mix is supposed to look like. I'm sorry, I'm not even looking at the camera, but yeah, I don't even know what freaking pancake mix is supposed to look like. Stir that. Is it supposed to be thick or... Is it supposed to be thick or is it supposed to be watery? Mix that. Ooh, don't make a mess. You're getting a little frisky. Alright, I think this should be...
Good.
Do we need to do
It's
anything?
not great.
We don't need no eggs.
We don't need no eggs.
I don't think that we need an egg. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Put your finger in there.
Mmm.
What's it taste like, bananas?
Yeah, I felt bananas in there.
Ooh, it does taste like banana.
Let me just cut my chip.
I'm gonna add some sugar.
Just scoop it.
What do you scoop? How close can you get it?
Let me mix it.
Alright, let me see.
That smells so good.
Okay, so I don't know, I guess we can just get to freaking putting this on the pan. Yeah!
Then I can lick this spoon out.
Sure.
Like this.
Okay, so we're over here by the stove. I'm gonna get some butter. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn this on. Don't you touch nothing yet.
Oh.
Okay. I'm putting it on like 6.
It's
Like
not turning.
medium,
It's not turning.
medium high. Okay, so I hope this works. I'm gonna be using this to flip the pancakes. So Emma, we need to butter this darn pan. I got it.
After you, can I do it?
No, I'll let you pour
Okay.
some of these in. So before we make a mess, I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Alright, dang it. Hold this. Oh my god, everything's sizzling. Hold it. I'm not trying to clean up a mess. Alright, pour it. Just in the middle. Ooh, look at that. Pour it all. Here, get some more mix. Alright. Pour it in the middle. That's a lumpy pancake.
Now what? Let it go. Let it go. Now can I lift it off?
With what?
This.
No.
We're gonna need it. Look at all the pancakes. The big giant pancake.
Okay, so this is our freaking pancake. She's gorgeous. Good job. High freaking five, yeah,
Don't burn your
girl.
hand off.
Yeah.
Don't burn your hand off.
Okay, so the trick, how you know it's done, is when this bad boy starts sliding in the pan. That's how you know you can flip it, right? Okay, so this didn't really take that long, so that is ready to be flipped. And I'm kind of scared. I'm scared to flip it. Ah! I did it!
Ah, the pancake's stolen.
Look at that freaking pancake! Okay, we need a plate.
We need to like burn off. You don't want it to burn the house up, right?
Why isn't this shaking? Alright, this bad boy is done.
Are you gonna cook the one?
Get some of that mix. Get more than that. Here, let me see. Let me get it. I feel like we should have made more. Here, pour it. Take it. Take it!
Well, keep doing all the way.
Pour it! Oh, we need a bigger pancake than that. Ooh! You're making a mess! Why would you put it back in there? Hold that. Hold it! Oh my god, we're making a mess.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, we don't even have that much pancake mix. Oh, that was too much! This is a big pancake.
This one mine. I like the little one, not the big one.
Ooh. Let me taste.
Huh?
Oh my god.
That smells like pancake.
Ah! It's breaking.
Oh, I don't want it to break. My shoes are... Ah! Oh, shoot. Ooh, this smells good.
I know. Oh my god.
Papa, this is great.
I'm so excited to freaking eat.
Me too. That's it.
Why are you looking at me like that?
You can lick that.
I don't want to lick it.
I can lick it because it tastes good.
Oh, well, you know what? That's...
It's so small. I want that one. Got it?
Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. This stuff smells so good. Stop eating that.
What? It's outside. But can I lick the spoon?
No, it's still in there. Third pancake. Down.
There's gonna be some for me in there. I think there's going already.
She's gonna freaking lick the bowl clean.
I didn't do that. That was you.
How did I do that?
Cause you put that mix.
Alright, so, let me know. Did I do that or did she do that? Because she got freaking cake batter in her hair.
No, I did not.
Then why is there pancake mix in your freaking hair?
Cause you did that. You touched my hair. Cause you touched it.
I did not put pancake batter in your hair. You're the one that's all up in the pancake mix. You're you're all up in the pancake mix. Put that finger away. Are they still warm? Ah!
What?
It's hot. It was you. Look at you. You're like a dog.
Okay, I'm done. I don't need them.
You're done now.
I don't.
Last pancake. Down.
I don't think your camera's about to die because it's all looped up. Looped.
This is a thumbnail. Come on, smile. Okay, I want to thank everyone for watching me make the thumbnail. And I want to thank all of you guys for watching. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I do have a few of you, and I do want to thank all of y'all for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I'm happy to be making these videos, and I'm excited to see this channel grow. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye.